Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my name is Simeona D. Florida. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children, 13 and 1, and college level.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and children.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
I work in Singapore for 2 years and 7 months and Hong Kong for 2 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your
My
employer?
duties in Singapore is cooking, washing the car, washing the clothes, ironing, and sometimes go market. In Hong Kong is washing the clothes, cooking, taking care of the children at 8 years old.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
I taking care a child at 6 and 8 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I taking care for changing the clothes and bring to school.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I can cook and I can cook the Western foods.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
A good helper is loyal, helpful, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, if you take me a domestic helper, I promise I'm loyal and hardworking. Thank you and hope to see you in Hong Kong.